At BiomedRx, we know that healthcare providers depend on reliable, expertly maintained medical equipment to save lives and deliver exceptional care. Behind the scenes, it's the unsung heroes of medical equipment repair who make this possible. The BiomedRx International Service Network is a consortium of top-tier medical equipment repair companies working together to provide unmatched field service operations for manufacturers and healthcare providers. By uniting our expertise, we ensure healthcare facilities across the United States and around the world have access to dependable, high-quality biomedical equipment maintenance services. Our network isn't just a service provider. It's a community of independent service organizations, leveraging collective knowledge, cutting-edge technology, and shared resources to meet the growing demands of the healthcare industry. As a member of the BiomedRx International Service Network, you'll gain access to a global platform to expand your business reach, exclusive partnerships with leading manufacturers, training and certification opportunities, and a support system designed to elevate your services to the next level. We're inviting independent service organizations to join our growing network. Together, we can redefine the standards of medical equipment repair and maintenance, one facility at a time. Visit biomedrx.com to petition for membership and become a part of the future of healthcare technology management. Let's build a healthier tomorrow together.